हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's learn colors name: blue, yellow, red, orange, green, black and pink color. Kids, this is number 1. Now we are testing number 2. This is number 3. Now we are testing number 4. This is number 5. Now we are testing number 6. This is number 7. Kids, this is number 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.